Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I'll be looking at the dollar franc. So for the dollar franc, you can take a look at it on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, it's looking like it's on a very nice uptrend. We just draw this trend line for you so you can better visualize it. So on this uptrend, you can see that price is generally quite bullish. Came back down, test the trend line once, but failed to break below it and push back up. Came down again to test the trend line once, and now it failed to break below it, push all the way back up to here. So now price is sort of trading sideways. It's sort of correcting itself slightly. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and find a nice entry where we can enter before price continues in its bullish direction. So what we're trying to do is basically find an entry for a long position, and immediately we can see that this is quite a good level, possible level for price. So this is an entry level for us. You can see that at this entry level, price came up to test it as a resistance but failed to break above it, came back down, and then when it finally broke above it, now it's coming back up to try and test, coming back down, to try and test the entry level. So what we're going to try to do is basically when price comes down, try to test the trend line, try to test the entry level. It should bounce back up before going again in the bullish direction. So this is our entry level, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to try and take a Fibonacci retracement from this swing low to this swing high, see how price might correct itself. So immediately you can see that the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement is quite close to our entry level. If we take an extension, Fibonacci extension from this swing high to this swing low and this swing high again, you can see that the 127.2% is also quite close to the entry level. So this area is quite a good area where we can possibly have our buy entry level. Just push up this area for you. This is a possible buy entry level for us. So once you have your buy entry level, you need to find your stop loss. And for the stop loss, what we're trying to do is basically we're going to find an area where there's a good support level. And this stop loss level, it's on a horizontal swing low support. You can see that price reacted off here. So this is quite a good stop loss level. I would place it slightly below the swing low just so you can give your trade some room to breathe. So if it comes back down here, you know that price has broken the trend line, broken the entry level over here. You want to get out of the trade as soon as possible, but you don't want to be stopped out too early as well. So you just put the stop loss slightly below the graphical level. Now for your take profit level, it's quite simple. You just look up here. You can see that this is a swing high. We just change that for you. Take profit level. So this take profit level is at a swing high. So what we can do is take it slightly lower so that you can take profit on time, just in case price doesn't actually reach exactly at the swing high. You can still take profit on time. And actually, if you look up again, you can see that at the minus 27% is another possible level where you can take profit. Change that for you. Take profit. The minus 27.2% retracement from this retracement that we took from the swing low to the swing high is also another level where you can take profit. So if you are you can aim for a slightly higher take profit, but you can also take partial at this swing high over here. So once you have all these levels, you just take a look. You can just take a look at the Ichimoku cloud. Price is still holding above the Ichimoku cloud. So price is still generally quite bullish in nature, where you can expect it will come down, test the trend line, test the entry, and then move again in the bullish direction up to our take profit levels. So thanks everyone for joining us today on today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best. Trade safe and stay safe. Thank you.